Hello guys, this is Anonyrich, and today I'm going to teach you how to surf free on internet. Yep. Oh Anonyrich viewers shouldn't watch my video and pay. Yeah, you should watch my video without paying. You should watch my video for free. So I came with this tutorial how you should going to browse free internet. So first, let's get started. Get hooked over to Play Store to download this application. So you get to Play Store here. Play Store to download this application. So we search for Apple VPN. Apple VPN. Yes. So this is the application. Apple VPN. As you can see, I've already downloaded it, so no need to download it. Just open it here. So it is either you open it from here or you go home to open it there. Alright. So make sure you install this application on your phone. Alright. Yeah guys, so before you get everything down here, first you need to create a new VPN. You need to configure a new VPN settings. So we go to settings. Okay, so we're into settings here. Alright, so go to SIM cards. Yeah, SIM card and mobile networks. So you get there. So you open MTN. Alright, so you get to access point names. Alright, the first one is my service provider's VPN, and the second one is MMS VPN. Understand? So this is new. So if you don't have it, you just go here, you hit on the plus, then you create the name, giving it MMS the name, then the VPN also MMS. So let me demonstrate something cool here. MMS as the name, okay. Then the VPN MMS, okay. So after that you save it here. Alright, so I've already created mine here, so you two have to create it before you get. Well, so after creating it, you need to switch it to the MMS VPN, okay. Alright, so you get back to configure the application. So alright, here is the purple VPN we downloaded.
Stay caught up, guys. Gigs is flutter. Make that shit that butterflies. Why did they gas him? Drive it and crash it. Silent assassin. Why would they get on his nerves? Why would they hassle him?
So
Simon says, what? I wanna slap him. Down.
So as you can see, here is the VPN application we downloaded, the purple VPN. Right, so you're going to open it. You're going to open it to configure it. So first, let's get to settings. Let's get to settings. So you open settings. Make sure you check forward UDP. You check forward UDP, then you check forward DNS. Good. You can change the language here. You can change the language here. Then we have the mode here. You can change all. Alright, so alright, let's get back. Alright, so now there are two things to do now. Okay, so this is the server. Okay, this is where you can find the server. So you select a server. We have different kind of servers there, so you make a choice. So we have the Brazil 01, Brazil 02, Canada 01, Canada 02, and so on. So I'm choosing mostly I use Canada 02 and Canada 04, but in this tutorial I'm going to use Canada 02. I'm going to use Canada 02, understood? Alright, so I'm selecting Canada 02. Then this is the tweak. This is the tweak. This is the tweak. Alright, so the tweak, I'm a Ghanaian, I'm in Ghana, so I have Ghana tweak inside the app, so I just go for to choose Ghana. But there are different kind of tweaks that work for different countries, you understood? Alright, so I hope you have understood this. Alright, so let's get into the tweaks and see our preference. Alright, so if you are in a different country, you can choose Team 01 regions. Okay, you can choose this one. So you can choose this one and it will work for you. Okay, so if you are in different country, you can choose this one, it will work for you. Cool. Alright, so let me go ahead and choose this one for the purpose of today's tutorial. Alright, so almost done, but you need to know that you can increase your time here by watching ads. So per each ad you watch, you are given 3 hours time, okay, to browse free. So you can watch more ads to increase your hours. Okay, you can watch with your normal bundle or you can watch with this tweak. Alright, cool. Then the last thing to do is to connect here. Alright, but before you connect, you need to test to see that without a VPN I have an internet connection or not. Okay. Alright. So go home to test to see if I have internet connection. I get to YouTube. I don't have internet connection, so it is not working. As you can see, it is not working at all. Not working. Nothing working here. Nothing. Let's try searching something here. Like so something like hack. Nothing is loading here because I don't have internet access. Understood? Yeah. Alright. So now let's connect our VPN and see if you'll be able to get internet access. So make sure you have selected the APN, like MMS APN settings. And you have chosen the MMS option. So
whip that butter slice. Man got cut up. You stay cut up, guys. Gigs is flutter.
so let's connect here.
Shit that butterflies.
Let's see. Okay.
Gassing. Driving.
All right, conectado. Connected.
They get on his nerves.
Yeah, we've connected it. Okay. All right, connected. Yeah, connected. All right. Then now we got everything done. Good. We've connected successfully. Now let's test to see if it's working. If it's really working. So we're going to YouTube. We're going to YouTube here. Yes. Alright. So let's open our YouTube application to see if we have internet access. Good. As you can see, it is working more faster, almost with a speed as 4G. So make sure you are on H+ network or 4G network. If you are using 3G network, this tweak won't work for you. Please, for you, it won't work. It doesn't work for 3G low. Okay. So we search for hack. Search for hack. Now, alright, search for hack. Let's try watching a video and see. Okay. Hiring a hacker to hack my Facebook account. Let's try this video. Alright. Alright, as you can see, it's working. Yes, very good. Working.
Imagine with me for a second that you have a Facebook account or an Instagram or Twitter account or
it's
account
working.
you want, and you're locked out of
Free internet access. You can
whatever to
free
do.
unlimited
Well, I
depending
know people
on
that
your
are offering to
hours.
online, and I have always been
So it
curious
is working.
what that
Everything is
actually
working
looks like.
successful.
I get these messages
Okay.
all
Thank you for watching
Here's really quick
this
at
video.
my
Subscribe to my YouTube
Twitter
channel
account.
for more
Actually,
videos.
let's start with
Anonyrich.
on YouTube. If I come into my comments held for review all the time for all types of hacks and recovery, context Kenx Hack on Instagram.